Hey there, crafters. So, have you been noticing your fabric cuts aren't coming out as clean as they used to? Yeah, I've been there too, and it's super frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of a project. So, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to replace that rotary blade step by step. No fancy tools, no confusing tech talks, just a simple process that'll have you back to cutting perfect fabric in just a couple of minutes. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, first of all, check if your rotary blade housing is currently sitting in your Cricut machine. If it is, you just have to pull it straight out from the machine's clamp. Okay, now you've got that out. Now you're going to look for an empty cap that comes into your blade replacement kit. It should be right there with your new blade. So what you'll do next is take that empty cap and just place it right over the rotary blade housing. Now grab your screwdriver and use it to remove the screw. Just unscrew it carefully and set it aside for a second. Alright, once that screw is out, you can go ahead and remove the housing from the cap. Then take your new cap with the new blade already attached and place it over the housing. Just line it up and space it in place. Next up, grab that screwdriver again and use it to tighten the screw. Make sure it's secure. Once that's done, you can go ahead and remove the cap. And finally, open up clamp B on your machine, insert the housing back in, and just close the clamp. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.